Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science. First, build a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics, focusing on concepts like linear algebra and probability. Next, dive into a versatile programming language such as Python, which is widely used for data analysis and machine learning. Finally, gain proficiency in SQL to effectively manage and query databases, a crucial skill for any data professional. Once your foundation is solid, move on to core data science skills. Learn various data analysis and visualization techniques to uncover insights and present them clearly. Then, delve into machine learning, understanding algorithms from supervised to unsupervised learning. Practice using powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn to implement these concepts efficiently in your projects. To solidify your learning, start building a portfolio of diverse data science projects. Work on real-world datasets to apply your skills and solve practical problems. Contributing to open-source projects can also enhance your experience and visibility. As you progress, consider specializing in areas like natural language processing or computer vision to deepen your expertise. The data science field evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is key. Stay updated with new tools, techniques, and research papers to remain competitive. Networking with other data professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities for collaboration. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep practicing and exploring to master your data science journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.